In this video, I want to show you how to add days to a date in JavaScript. So how do you get a date object representing, for example, 10 days from now, or 1 week from now, 1 month from now? So suppose you have a date object in JavaScript like this. We initialized my date from the date constructor using new date. And this gives us today's date. As you can see from this console log, we get the representation of today, which is April 9, it's 12:20. And suppose that now I want to get the date that's like 30 days from now. How do I do that? We use the setDate and getDate methods of a date object in this way. Like this. So we set the date of my date to the current date of my date plus 30. So we are basically adding 30 days to the date. And now I can print using console log here. As you can see now it's May 9 instead of April 9. If you add more than 30 days, for example, you can add 60 days. So you get 60 days from now, and now the date is updated to June, for example.